Hello, hello, hello. I'm really excited for today's video because it's something that I love to help new online teachers with, and that is figuring out if their class is in demand. Because if it's not in demand, you're not getting signups, you're not getting enrollments, you're not teaching, you're not able to reach the goals that you want to reach, right? And for some of you, that's teaching online full time. So today I'm going to be giving you 5 quick and thank you easy ways to figure out if your class topic on Outschool is in demand. If you don't know me, my name is JennaLee, and I help teachers like you build businesses and brands online to live life fully and to live life on your own terms. So if you are into that and you're saying, yeah, that's me, click the subscribe button, click like, and I hope that we can connect more. First easy step is to figure out if other teachers, I always say good rule of thumb is about 4, are teaching a similar topic to you. So let's do this together. You're going to click on the Outschool search bar, right? And you are going to put in the topic that you teach. So for me, that's going to be voice lessons, okay? Or singing lessons, one of the two. I'm going to click enter. I'm going to go down. Okay, I see music lessons. I see musical theater singing lessons. I see private voice class. I see princess singing club. Okay, obviously this is in demand, right? Okay, if you click on, let's say you're going to teach about zombies. Okay, zombies, Disney zombies, dance class, escape from zombies. Okay, zombies are also in demand, okay? So make sure that you're finding at least 4 teachers that teach something that's related to your topic. It doesn't have to be the exact same thing, but make sure that it's related. And the second thing that you want to have your eyes open on is if the class types that you are looking to teach are also in demand. So class types are the format of your classes. Is that a one-time class, camp, multi-day, club? What class type is it? So we can do that in a similar way, but it doesn't have to be based on your topic. It's really just scrolling down the Outschool search engine. So let's see that. So nothing, no topic, okay? You're going to look down the Outschool search engine. This is an ongoing, this is ongoing, this is ongoing. I'm starting to notice something. This is a one-time. This is ongoing. This is ongoing. Okay. Meets once per week. All right, so you're looking down there, and you can also look in this topic bar, which brings me also to step 3, which is to look on these topic buttons above here. And these are very much in demand classes at the moment. Outschool updates these week to week. So these are always being updated based off of student and parent interest. So you can even see some class types here. There's clubs, which are more like an ongoing. There's one-on-one, which are also usually ongoing, tutoring. There's drawing, gaming, reading, dance, anime, art, language, singing, and escape rooms. So these are always being updated. So for instance, if St. Patrick's Day is coming up, it's going to say St. Patrick's Day in that topic bar. So make sure that you keep an eye out for that. That's an easy step to take. 4th quick and easy step to take to see what's in demand is checking out the Outschool Marketplace Insight. And I am so surprised that some Outschool teachers don't even know about and don't even utilize these emails. They are insanely helpful. So let's give them a check. All right, so this is one of my Outschool Marketplace Insight emails. Outschool Marketplace Insights. There you go. See? So you're going to look down. It looks like this. They got nice branding. It will give you quick tips on what's currently popular and what's currently in demand and what's happening with Outschool. This one says, Outschool is working behind the scenes, exciting stuff to continue expanding our reach in countries outside the US and Canada. Woo woo! This is awesome. This one goes over how parents pick classes. So that's going to be important for you when creating your class listing. But most importantly, look down here because this is always included on these Marketplace Insights. So this says what's in demand. Okay, check this out. You're going to click on this button classes that educators need this week. And literally February 17th, that was a week ago, and they're going to update it again. It goes through the subjects that parents are currently looking for, right? Life skills, specifically the search term cooking, and an ongoing format, ages 8 to 12, price from $0 to $20 at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And it said there's increasing demand for multi-day format cooking classes, especially with late afternoon or evening start time. So it goes through all of those every single week. Look at this. Mine is violin. Whoop, whoop. So excited. Okay, so many things, so many things. So make sure you're checking those Marketplace Insight emails. Do not forget those. And finally, something that's also lots of Outschool teachers don't know about or use these in figuring out what's in demand is their own stats. So let's check out mine. Okay, check this out. So these are on my insights, my stats, right? And these are all the classes that I've created. Now, obviously, as you can see, I did not teach any of these classes, right? I teach like a third of what I've created. But what you're going to look for is you're going to look for the page views, okay? You're going to look for the amount that you earned, okay? This is the last 90 days. You're going to look for the re-enrollment rate. That's a good rate to see. And you're going to look at how many enrollments you've gotten, right? So as you can see, just from my violin course, I've gotten 257 page views in 90 days. That's pretty good. Okay. Another one that I'm getting some boost in views is my ongoing private music lessons. So those are currently more in demand. Another one that I'm getting a lot of views is my small group. I forget if that's the singing one or the violin one, but one of the two. And that's what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at all of this. Ooh, look at this one, 780 page views, 53 enrollments. Obviously, that's very highly in demand, right? So look at your own stats, and those are going to help you to figure out, if you're currently an Outschool teacher, what you should be focusing more on, right? Because it's going to change and it's going to ebb and flow with the seasons. But that's a way, really quick and easy way to figure out what's going well right now. Let me know the steps that you take from this video to figure out if your class is in demand and what you may have not heard about before in the comments below. I would love to connect with you more, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I also do some pretty jazzy videos on TikTok, so you can check that out as well, and I would love to connect with you more. See you in the next video.